Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to start additive and multiplicative inverse. Now what is additive inverse? The additive inverse of a number a is a number that when we add to a gives the sum 0. So it means that the additive inverse of a is minus a. So the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. The additive inverse of 3.7 is minus 3.7. Means when we add two numbers, the answer will be 0. So as we know that when we add 5 with minus 5, the answer will be 0. When we add 3.7 with minus 3.7, so answer will be 0. So it means if we have a positive number, the additive inverse will be negative of that number. But if the number is negative, so the additive inverse will be positive. Alright. So the additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. Because when we add minus 8 plus 8, the answer will be 0. So it means that the additive inverse of any real number a is minus a, because when we add a and minus a, the answer will be 0. So this is additive inverse. Now what is multiplicative inverse? Now the multiplicative inverse means that the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a non-zero number a is a number that when we multiplied it a, that gives will be answer will be 1. So the additive multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a, means the reciprocal of that number. Alright. So if we have the number 5, so what will be the multiplicative inverse of 5? The multiplicative inverse of 5 will be 1 by 5. As we know that if we have only 5, so it means that in the denominator we have 1. So what is reciprocal? The reciprocal means that 5 by 1 means 1 by 5. Means the denominator change into numerator and numerator change into denominator. Alright. So if we have minus 8, so what will be the multiplicative inverse of minus 8? The multiplicative inverse of minus 8 is minus 1 by 8. Alright. So 2.5, what will be the multiplicative inverse of 2.5? 1 by 2.5. Now see, 3 by 7. What will be the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 7? Means 7 by 3. That what we did? We take the reciprocal. Alright. So the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. So it means that the multiplicative inverse of any real number a is 1 by a, because a and a will be cancelled because a is in the numerator and 1 by a, here a is in the denominator. So a and a will be cancelled, so answer will be 1. So this is multiplicative inverse. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.